Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by powering down the monitor and unplugging all cables, safety first. Once done, check the back for the VESA mounting pattern. Most are 75x75 or 100x100 mm. You then remove the factory stand or base, press release tabs, or unscrew the attachment bolts. Make sure to keep screws in a labeled container so nothing is lost. After detaching, set the monitor face down on a soft, flat surface to avoid scratches and prepare for mounting hardware. Now you attach the vertical bracket designed to rotate the monitor to portrait orientation. Choose a VESA-compatible mount rated for your monitor's weight and size because load capacity matters. Align the bracket holes to the VESA pattern and hand thread the correct screws with washers. This prevents cross-threading. Once all screws start smoothly, tighten them evenly to manufacturer torque recommendations to avoid warping the frame. Double-check that the bracket is secure and the monitor sits flush before repositioning upright. Mount the monitor to the arm or wall plate, engaging any safety latches and securing secondary screws so it cannot slip. Once mounted, rotate the display 90 degrees into portrait. Make small adjustments to tilt and height so the top edge is at or slightly below eye level for comfort. Reconnect power and video cables, set the OS display orientation to portrait, and test for wobble. If you see movement, tighten the mount hardware incrementally and recheck alignment until stable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.